Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add beat to match cut on InShot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and here I have imported my video and my music as well to this InShot project. And if you want to add beat to match cut on InShot, you can tap on the music, then you're going to tap on the beat option. Okay, and here you can add beat to your audio or music. You can just play the audio, then you can tap on this plus button to add beat. I'm going to demonstrate it, so I'm gonna play the audio. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on the check mark button. But if you are not satisfied with the result, you can clear the beat right here by tapping on this button. Then I'm just going to tap on this check mark button. Okay, and here we can match cut with the beat. So we can click on the video. I'm going to use this line to help me cut the clip. Okay, just click on split. Alright, and I'm going to delete this part. Then where is the beat? Okay, right here. Click on split. Then I'm going to delete this part. Okay, you can also drag the video like this. Okay, now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and I guess that's how we can add beat to match cut on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.